One of the visible problems in installation are flickering lights, and at the moment I can think about 3 cases.
The first case is that if you are using LED bulbs that are not designed for dimming. In the second case, I would look for a fault in the fixture. At the terminal block, it is possible that the wire is loose. And the third case is basically similar to the previous one, but this time you need to look inside the house switchboard. In my experience, in most cases, the problem has been a loose phase, neutral or PEN conductor in old TNC wiring. So let's not forget to turn off the power. It's always a big plus to do such repairs during daylight hours, but sometimes the days are shorter and one just doesn't choose.
Now take off the switchboard cover. These can vary on size and materials. We can see several circuit breakers and tighten the screws on each of them. We also tighten the screws on the neutral terminal block. During those turns, use reasonable force. You do not have to tighten as much as you can. With neutral and earthing terminal like this, you can damage the conductor if you tighten too much. Grounding, if it's not a TNC network, will not cause the lights to flicker, but as part of the check you can already try to tighten everything. For better understanding, in TNC network is not split neutral and grounding conductor, but just one PEN conductor. When you are finished with tightening screws, put the switchboard cover back on. Don't forget to turn on all circuit breakers. Mine were already on, of course, otherwise we wouldn't see anything. Thank you very much for watching. Consider to subscribe. I'll catch you around.